Hey y'all. Today is, what is today? Saturday. Yeah, today's Saturday. There's Josh. He's on his way over to, his uncle's house with, that's where Stevie and Elijah is. So Josh is gonna go over there now too.
Wait, this thing over there?
Yes.
Why is going?
Because Dad isn't making 2 trips to bring them back, and it'll be all right. Don't complain. Yeah, I just remember I told y'all they left yesterday to go stay out there to watch the dog. There's Hubs. Say hello.
There. What it do?
What? Nothing. Here's the kitty, y'all. She be MIA.
Taking these.
Off the couch. She all scraggly looking, y'all. She be MIA for days, and then she be coming back looking a hot mess, honey. She been home all day today. I'm surprised.
I'll give her some water and stuff.
She got rainwater.
Rainwater. Give her some clean water and some food. Tell Josh.
It rained in the bowl last night. Ain't that good to have fresh, clean rainwater?
No.
Why?
Because you don't know what's in the rainwater.
Clean. It's coming out the sky.
Does that make it clean?
Yeah.
No.
What y'all think?
She's not a plant.
What y'all think? Don't y'all think that rainwater is clean? It rained in her water bowl, so I figured, okay, she got water for the day.
I left today to get her some.
I know, but I looked over there and she had clean rainwater in it, so
What's up, kitty?
I thought that would be fine.
Did she get fed?
Yeah. Oh, look at her, y'all. She wanna go. Oh, and he don't like cats.
I didn't say I don't like cats. I'm allergic.
You did say before you don't like them.
You wouldn't like them either if you couldn't breathe.
Look at her. She jumped up in there one day. I was in there. She got in the back seat, laid down.
What's up, kitty?
Oh yeah, they got a horse dog over there, girl. You don't want to go over there. Alright, y'all, well, I guess I will talk to you guys a little later. Good afternoon. It is now Sunday afternoon, and I survived the night. If you remember or watched my previous video, was saying that everybody was, well, actually, I didn't know everyone was going to be leaving, but everyone ended up leaving, going over to their uncle's house with Steve. So I was the only one home last night, all by myself. Yeah, it was great. It was great. I was a little scared, a little teeny scared, because I'm not used to being here by myself, but it was alright. I had planned on doing my nails while mother-in-law was gone, but my cramps was like, no, we're not gonna allow you to do that. No way, Jose. My stomach was hurting way too bad, so I didn't get to do that. Now I'm waiting on, everyone is about on their way home. It's after 12, so he's packing up all their stuff, and getting ready to come on back to the house. So waiting on them. My little me time will be over. Wow. Yep. Made it through the night all by myself. It was pretty cool though. I haven't been here by myself at all ever, I don't think. So that was pretty nice. Taking my vitamins right now, my blood pressure pill. It's hard to drink out of this new cup. The straw is kind of like tight. You guys here for a sec. We need to go to the store today. I feel like, it's on my lip. Need to make a store run today. Hopefully, hubby isn't too tired because we need him to go as well. We need garbage bags and a few other like laundry detergent, stuff like that. Paper towels. I need to make a list because every time I go to the store to go get the couple of main things that we need, I come out with a few main things we didn't need. Like the last time we went to Family Dollar a couple days ago, I didn't get half the stuff I was supposed to get. I came back with clearance items, pencils, cups, just all kind of crap that we didn't need, honey. But most of the night I stayed up kind of late and watched YouTube all night. No murder mystery shows while I was here by myself. Watched a lot of YouTube. I found some new channel, another new channel, y'all, that I started watching. It's an Asian girl. I'm gonna have to look it up to see what her name is, but I like it. So I was watching that all night, fell asleep to it. Sorry guys, all in front of my cigarette box. My hands are full, hold on. So there is a ton of flies out here thanks to our kitty killing that mole. Every time I step out the door, I'm hitting away 500 flies. It's so freaking gross. So when they get home, one of them boys or hubby is gonna have to pick up that mole. So
when that chain turned to crack the
what's up, you guys? We are on our way to Belleville, out where my mom lives. We are in the car safely this time, okay? We ain't gotta worry about the popos being behind us today. We got our tail light fixed. Y'all make sure y'all check out the video before this one. You'll know what I'm talking about. We ain't riding dirty. Yeah. Me, hubby, we got Elijah back here. Back here, you know, some cherries. We on the freeway. Yep. Yeah, we're heading out here. I'm gonna, I need to stop by CVS to pick up some prescriptions, and then, going to my mom's house to go look at this storage and look at all my crap, see what we're gonna do with it. So I have more polish there, lots more. I even have a whole box of perfume. Yeah. But alright, we had to roll up the windows, y'all, so we could talk to you for a minute. It's getting hot, so I'll talk to you guys soon. What?
I ate a stale cherry.
$4. Alright, y'all. Heading into CVS, and it's dark.
And I'm going to show you the toy aisle.
No. They don't want to see no toy aisle, honey.
I'll see you later.
Don't run, walk. Let me take a look and see if I can find any new polish. I've been wanting to try these, you guys. The colors look so pretty from what I've seen, and I also want to try the eyeliners. They've got that. Not a big fan of paparazzi, even though I have a few. I don't really even use them. Some Essie. These are the best collection to have. This one is Birthday Suit. I forgot the name of the collection, but this is a pretty nude color. I have this one. And, ooh, I've been wanting this one. I don't think I have this. This is a pretty teal. That's pretty. Alright, let me keep it moving. Ooh, limited edition Katie Cat Pearl Collection. Oh, look at those colors. This is pretty, and this one. Oh, the eyeliner too. Looks like only green and white. I just like black. Plain Jane. The mascara is something I need for sure. And what are these? Shadow plus highlighter. Cool. I definitely need new foundation. I've never seen these before. They keep popping out, y'all. It's not me. Oh my god. Oh Lord. They keep falling out. Okay, stay. Oh my gosh. And I just realized I did not mean to wear these shoes because they do not match my shirt. I look a hot mess. Let me hurry up and get to this pharmacy counter and get out of here. Come here. What are you doing? Get from over there. What are you doing? This is cute. Trying to figure out what Elijah's doing.
What are you trying to do? What are you doing?
Mini beauty blenders. Let's go see what he's doing. What is it?
This.
It's probably like $10.
No, for that thing.
$3.99.
I think that means $4.99.
That's $4 and some change. Oh, Chill lip balm. Those are new. I have the contour stick. Mine is too dark though. I have been wanting to try these, but it doesn't look like they have any dark enough. What are these? Gel lip liners. They're e.l.f. Eyeshadow palette. Eyebrow kit. Ooh, Kabuki contouring brush. I hear those are good. And then they got a retractable Kabuki brush. And then that one. Elijah, stop running. Blush palettes, contour palettes. prescription. Oh, wait. They got mask. Ooh, they've got the Beauty 360 mask. Those are the eye masks. High tissue mask. Face mask pods. Those are eyes. Lifting, pore, and brightening. How much are they? They don't say.
This is us talking about was at Toys R Us.
Oh, what is it? The cards?
Yeah, the
How
ones
much
right
are
there.
those?
Like these are ones are $4.99. The last time the last time they sent them out was this one.
Oh.
And I just
Made it out to my mom's house. We're out here on the balcony. We came here after we went to CVS, and we made a quick run to Dollar Tree. I just ran in and get a couple items. I had seen they had some new lashes. I forgot the name. I don't know if it was Kiss or something, but they were $2. So I got those because I wanted to try them. Picked that up. And now we're just here sitting talking to my mom for a little bit. But we're getting ready to go. Elijah, I think, yeah, he was in the car. He came out with us. Hey. Drop it.
see. Look how high we are. That's extremely
Elijah.
That's our car right there. No.
Oh, yeah, sorry,
No. Now speak.
Alright, you guys.
How's that speak? Speak. Speak. Speak what you wanted to say. My mommy's shy now.
Home later.
Alright, bye. We'll see you later. How do you even do the podcast?
Alright, y'all. Running into, here. Ain't no... Running into, Family Dollar right quick. Yeah, in Family Dollar, ran in to grab me some soda. Yeah, grabbing soda, and then we need some trash bags. I got one Fanta strawberry. Maybe I'll get that. And then I gotta find Elijah. Alright, y'all, we left my mom's, just made a stop at Tim Hortons. I told you guys I am loving these iced cappuccinos. So good. And hubby got his fave, what is it?
Double, double, triple, triple.
Double, triple. And he just blacky, darky.
Shot of hazelnut.
It's a regular coffee
here, like-
with 3 sugars, 3 creams, and a shot of
A shot of hazelnut, yeah. Yes, y'all. About to drink this baby up, and it's like almost 10 o'clock at night. We're drinking coffee, but I don't care. I'm still go to bed. Go ahead, but yeah, we can't drive with this light on, so I'll see you guys when we get to the house.